Hi everybody, this is Sir Pierre back another night with another unboxing and with a story, of course. Earlier this week I was in Stockholm, but just for 2 nights, so I decided to get 2 pairs of shoes with me, one on my feet and one in my bag. And I wanted to pack as small as possible, so instead of getting one of my bags with a shoe compartment, I threw a pair of sneakers in a shoe chain bag and put it in my bag, in my bigger bag, travel bag. And these are nice because I use them also when I have certain shoes in my boxes, so they don't get yellowing by the sun or faded. The suede doesn't get as faded by the sun. So I got a bunch of these bags. They are nice to have, and very nice to have when you travel. And as I said, I only brought 2 pair of shoes with me, and I didn't have any shoe chain wipes, but I thought that was okay. I'm just gonna be away one day. Of course I can keep my shoes clean, but I couldn't. So when I got to Stockholm, the shoes were dirty. I don't know where from. And so during the first day, or the second day actually, I wore a pair of shoes, but then later that night I didn't want to wear the same pair of shoes. I never wear the same pair of shoes a full day. So I had to wear these again, and I was literally ashamed of having new but dirty sneakers. So I decided to order a bunch of shoe chain wipes so I can have them with me in my everyday bag when I travel, in the car, etc. etc. So I'm just gonna show you how easy it is to clean your sneakers. I get asked a lot about how you clean your sneakers and about all of different products, but my main tip is clean your sneakers every day. Don't let the dirt sit. It's much easier. Just when you get home, take a wet wipe or these shoe chain wipes if the shoes are dirty, but use your standard day, use wet wipe or something. Just wipe them off. That's it. If you can keep your shoes clean every day, they won't get as dirty. So you have to have special products for cleaning them. But of course, sometimes shoes get dirty anyway, really dirty. And then shoe chains have a bunch of products for that. So more bags. This time they are white. I'm pretty sure that my old ones are sort of off-white, but these would be just fine. They're actually nice to have with you when you travel, so you can put your dirty underwear in them when you are done with them. And then a bunch of wipes. I hope this angle will be good enough. So the wipes come packaged like this. I think there are 10 wipes in a bag. Yes, there is. Very nice to have one of these packages laying in the car, but of course you can have them one by one. So when you open them up, they look just like this, just like your hand sanitizer wipes. They don't take any place at all. You can have it in your back pocket or whatever. When I travel, I put one in each shoe, and yeah, now I'm gonna have them laying in my car and in my everyday carry bag. So there are 2 sides of it. One a little bit more rough side. You see the dots, and you can feel the more rough side to say. And then we have the softer side. So with the rough side, just go at it. That's it. You see, the dirt came right off. Is there any more dirt? I usually don't clean the shoes more than they need to, because you never know. Maybe you wear out the leather or the coloring if you clean them more than you need to. So as I said, I only use the wipes where they are actually dirty. And that's it. These shoes are already clean. I'm gonna go get another pair of shoes that are maybe a little bit more dirty, because this was sort of this was too easy. Okay, these are my beater shoes. They have been through a lot, and I don't even know the last time I cleaned them. So this is going to be a really good test. These shoes are worn. I wouldn't say worn. The color has been scratched off, so they might not look as clean as they're going to be. But you see right away, no forcing at all, very easy to clean, and that's it. Just let them dry. When the shoes are not as dirty, I only use the softer side. Once again, so I don't scratch the leather or wear it unnecessary. Yeah. So if you don't want to be ashamed of your dirty shoes while you're out on the go, have a set of these on you, in your bag, in your car, whatever. Just wipe and walk, and that's it. The shoes look like brand new again. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm pretty sure I have another shoe shame unboxing with the big box where you get everything in the box. Let me know if you have any question. Thank you. Good night.